Welcome to a quick demo on the Project Essentials tool in OCMS Portal. You can access the Project Essentials tool from either the tools on the left sidebar or from Phase 1 Assess. The Project Essentials tool serves as a cornerstone of essential project information, providing you with a solid foundation for your project management needs. Let's explore the key components of this tool and understand how this information can be instrumental in your project success. To begin, you'll want to designate one or more project managers, ensuring efficient project oversight and leadership. Additionally, you may also consider adding one or more project sponsors to provide crucial support and guidance throughout the project journey. Next, it's essential to outline your project's goals and provide a concise summary of the changes your project aims to achieve. With that foundational information covered, proceed to specify the project's start date, anticipated go-live date, and the project's end date. The next step involves defining the project scope. This includes entering the total number of groups within the organization, along with the specific number of groups directly impacted by the project. To ensure a smooth change management process, consider adding one or more change managers who will be actively involved in driving a project success. In the project's financial section, you can provide essential financial details, including the project's budget, the amount spent to date, and the expected return of investment. Lastly, indicate the project's potential customer impact by selecting from the options: not impacted, very low to low, and mid to high impact. When you're done, click on the Save button. All of the information you provided in the Project Essentials tool serves as a foundational building block that seamlessly integrates into the OCM plan. And that covers this quick demo of the Project Essentials tool in OCMS Portal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time, and we'll be happy to help.